Welcome. In front of me I have GoPro HERO 9 and I'm going to show you how you can activate wake up at the voice. So at the first we have to open notification bar. After that just scroll and tap on the preferences. Then we have to move for the voice control and select the wake on the voice. And we have to remember that the voice control have to be turned on. So let's go, swipe to select on. After that we can just simply go back, and right now we can enter one more time and the command is GoPro turn on. Okay, so right now we can try if it is working. So let's turn off our camera. Okay, and I think that right now we can start. So GoPro turn on. GoPro turn on. GoPro turn on. Okay, and it is working. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.